360 frontal wigs and water wave just go together, okay? Don't get me wrong, any textured 360 wig eats, but a water wave 360 is elite, okay?
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and the one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up.
I don't know about where y'all live, but it's starting to warm up in Atlanta and it's starting to feel a little bit like spring, okay? I've been tired of the winter cold vibes. I do not like cold weather, so I definitely had to bust out a water wave wig for y'all because this just screams vacation spring to me and I love it. So this wig is from ISEE Hair. Y'all know how I feel about ISEE Hair. Their wigs can do no wrong in my opinion. I have yet to receive a bad wig from ISEE Hair and I've pretty much tried all of their wigs at this point. So today we did no baby hairs at all. I usually like doing baby hairs on curly and water wave wigs, but the lace on this wig is so good. You don't need no baby hairs. I mean, if you want baby hairs, you can do that, but you don't have to, okay? And this is the wig straight out the box. I didn't pluck the hairline or anything like that. The only thing I did was go in and cut a little bit more lace off the top, but that was it. If you would like to get into this install, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So I just did my makeup. This install turned out super cute, y'all. If you're interested in checking out this wig from ISEE Hair, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you haven't already watched my latest Get Ready With Me video, I'm going to show you how to do a full beat just like this one. Be sure to click the box right here.